Have you ever dreamt of a city kissed by the ocean breeze, where vibrant culture meets breathtaking beauty? A city where the warmth of the people matches the warmth of the sun? Chile, my friends, holds such a treasure. A city of captivating charm awaits, beckoning you to explore its hidden alleyways and soak in its vibrant energy. It promises an experience unlike any other, a journey that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. This isn't just another travel destination, it's a love affair waiting to begin. Prepare to be enchanted, to lose yourself in the rhythm of Chilean life, and to discover a city that will steal your heart. Nestled between the majestic Andes Mountains and the vast Pacific Ocean, our Chilean city unfolds like a treasure map waiting to be explored. Imagine strolling along sun-drenched beaches, the salty air invigorating your senses. Picture cobblestone streets whispering tales of a rich past, leading you to grand plazas buzzing with life. This is a city that seamlessly blends old-world charm with modern sophistication. Here you'll find charming cafes tucked away in historic buildings, their walls adorned with intricate murals. You'll encounter vibrant markets overflowing with exotic fruits, handcrafted jewelry and colourful textiles, each piece a testament to the city's artistic spirit. Prepare to be captivated, for every corner you turn reveals a new facet of this multifaceted gem. Like any love affair worth having, getting to know our Chilean city takes time, patience, and a sense of adventure. With so much beauty to uncover, it can be daunting to know where to begin. But fear not, intrepid traveler, for the journey itself is part of the reward. Start by losing yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the historic center. Let your curiosity guide you as you discover hidden courtyards, charming boutiques, and grand colonial buildings adorned with intricate balconies. Venture into the bohemian neighborhoods where street art transforms ordinary walls into extraordinary canvases. Each step is an invitation to delve deeper, to peel back the layers of this captivating city and discover its beating heart. Our Chilean city is a living tapestry woven from threads of history and modernity. This city, with its rich cultural heritage, stands as a testament to the passage of time, where every corner tells a story and every building has a history. Prepare to be transported back in time as you wander through its cobblestone streets, their uneven surfaces whispering tales of horse-drawn carriages and colonial grandeur. These streets have witnessed centuries of change, from the footsteps of early settlers to the bustling activity of today's residents. Marvel at the architectural masterpieces that line the avenues, their facades adorned with intricate carvings and wrought iron balconies. Each building is a work of art, reflecting the craftsmanship and artistic vision of a bygone era. The attention to detail in these structures is a reminder of the city's dedication to preserving its historical essence. Step inside grand cathedrals, their soaring arches and stained glass windows testaments to a rich spiritual past. These sacred spaces offer a glimpse into the city's religious heritage, where the faithful have gathered for centuries to seek solace and inspiration. The play of light through the stained glass creates a serene and contemplative atmosphere. Yet, amidst this historical tapestry, you'll find threads of modernity woven seamlessly. The juxtaposition of old and new creates a dynamic and ever-evolving cityscape where tradition and innovation coexist harmoniously. Sleek skyscrapers pierce the sky, while trendy boutiques and art galleries line the streets, showcasing the city's vibrant contemporary scene. These modern elements add a fresh and exciting dimension to the city's character, attracting visitors and locals alike to explore and experience its diverse offerings. It's a captivating blend of old and new, a testament to a city that honors its past while embracing the future. This unique fusion creates a rich and multifaceted urban landscape, where every visit reveals new layers of history and modernity. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler, this city offers something for everyone, inviting you to discover its many stories and marvels. No love affair is complete without indulging in the senses, and here in Santiago, Chile, the senses are treated to an extraordinary experience. Our Chilean city is a feast for the palate as much as it is for the eyes. The vibrant markets are a kaleidoscope of colors, with stalls brimming with fresh produce, aromatic spices, and artisanal goods. Prepare to be tantalized by the aromas of freshly baked bread, sizzling seafood, and rich coffee that permeate the air. The scent alone is enough to make your mouth water and your heart race with anticipation. Step into family-run restaurants where the warmth of hospitality is matched only by the deliciousness of the food. These establishments are the heart and soul of Chilean culinary tradition. Here, generations-old recipes are passed down with love, each dish a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Families gather around tables to share meals that are as nourishing for the soul as they are for the body. Savor the bold flavors of traditional Chilean cuisine, where every ingredient is chosen with care and every dish is prepared with passion. From hearty stews to vibrant salads, the variety is endless. Indulge in succulent empanadas filled with savory meats or cheeses, each bite a burst of flavor that transports you to a world of culinary delight. The crispy golden crust gives way to a rich, flavorful filling, making each empanada a little pocket of joy. Treat your taste buds to fresh ceviche, a dish that perfectly captures the essence of the sea. The tangy lime juice perfectly complements the delicate flavors of the seafood, creating a harmonious balance that is simply irresistible. Each bite of ceviche is a refreshing explosion of taste, with the citrusy zing of lime enhancing the natural sweetness of the seafood. And don't forget to sip on a glass of Chilean wine, a perfect accompaniment to any meal. The vineyards of Chile produce some of the finest wines in the world, each bottle a testament to the country's winemaking prowess. Its smooth tannins and rich flavors elevate the dining experience, making every meal a celebration. So raise your glass, take a sip, and let the flavors dance on your palate as smiles captivate your heart. Section 6, the allure of Chilean hospitality, a tapestry of warmth. But what truly sets this Chilean city apart is its people. The locals here are known for their friendliness and openness, always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. Prepare to be embraced by a warmth and hospitality that is both genuine and infectious. It's not just about a friendly smile, it's about a deep-seated culture of kindness and generosity that permeates every interaction. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted with smiles as warm as the Chilean sun. Whether you're at a bustling market or a quiet cafe, the locals will make you feel right at home. Locals will eagerly point you in the right direction, sharing their favorite hidden gems and offering insider tips. They take pride in their city and want you to experience the best it has to offer. Engage in conversations with the locals and you'll discover a people passionate about their city and eager to share its stories. Whether it's a shopkeeper, a street artist, or a fellow diner, everyone has a story to tell. They'll tell you about their favorite poets, musicians, and artists, inviting you to experience the city through their eyes. The rich cultural tapestry of the city is woven with threads of personal anecdotes and historical tales. It's this warmth, this genuine desire to share their culture and connect with visitors that will leave an indelible mark on your heart. The connections you make here will go beyond the typical tourist experience, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine being invited into a local home where you can share a traditional meal and learn about family traditions. This is the essence of Chilean hospitality, an open door and a warm heart. Participate in local festivals and celebrations where the community comes together in a vibrant display of culture and joy. Dance, sing, and celebrate alongside the locals, and you'll feel like a part of the family. With a local guide, explore historical sites and hear the legends that have shaped the city. These stories, passed down through generations, add depth and meaning to your visit. And as the day comes to a close, share a moment of tranquility with the locals, watching the sunset over the city. It's in these quiet moments that the true beauty of Chilean hospitality shines through. So come, experience the warmth and hospitality of this Chilean city. Let the people here touch your heart and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. This is more than just a visit, it's a heartfelt connection that you'll cherish forever. Now, Section 7, Echoes of Beauty, a legacy etched in stone and spirit. As you explore our Chilean city, you'll notice a particular grace, a certain elegance in the way people carry themselves. Perhaps it's the city's breathtaking backdrop, the majestic Andes mountains that seem to watch over its inhabitants. Or maybe it's the constant presence of the ocean, its rhythmic waves inspiring a sense of tranquility. Whatever the reason, the beauty of Chilean women is undeniable. It's a beauty that transcends physical appearances. It's a reflection of their spirit, their warmth, their passion for life. It's a beauty that will leave you breathless, just like the city itself. Section 8. Embracing the Chilean spirit, a symphony for the senses. As your journey through our Chilean city draws to a close, you'll realize that it's more than just a destination. It's an experience, a symphony for the senses that will stay with you long after you've returned home. You'll remember the taste of fresh empanadas, the sound of laughter echoing through bustling plazas, the scent of jasmine flowers perfuming the air. You'll remember the warmth of the people, the way they welcomed you with open arms and made you feel like family. And you'll carry a piece of this city's vibrant spirit within you, a reminder of the transformative power of travel and the beauty of human connection. Section 9, your Chilean adventure awaits. Discover the magic. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and prepare to be swept away by the magic of our Chilean city. Let its beauty captivate you, its culture inspire you, and its people steal your heart. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and to share your own Chilean adventures with us. We can't wait to hear about the memories